guys, welcome to the new video of Hogger Blogger, and today we'll be looking at my trip to Montserrat. Barcelona can be traveled all over by foot or cycle or train or bus. There are many things that you can travel anywhere to. We traveled to Plaza de España, that is our first station to reach Montserrat, and we were welcomed by the beautiful architecture over there. We booked our ticket from Plaza de España to Aire de Montserrat. This ticket cost 25 euros, which includes the cost of ropeway. With all the signages in the metro stations, it's quite easy for every foreigners to travel in metro. The entire journey takes 1 hour or so, and boy, this station caught my eyes. After reaching the station, we headed over to Aire de Montserrat ropeway. The whole view was amazing, and everyone followed the social distancing regulations. There are also ways other than a ropeway to reach here, and you can hike or cycle your way to the top. But before we visit the famous monastery, let's do some hiking. People in the European countries hike a lot, and me being a Mumbai boy, you know why I add these background musics? So that you can't hear this. Moving on. We hiked all the way to the top and we stopped by a place to have some chicky. This is what we currently need after so much of hiking. Let's try the nutritious double maza chicky, and other than that, butterscotch peanut chicky. Let's check it out. So always remember to keep your mask safely and at the vicinity, and other than that, wear track pants. This is a long journey, long. We have been through so much, and other than that, let's check out the butterscotch chicky. And yeah, it's a completely different experience eating at the higher altitude, because there is only Maggie and everything. But this right here is a natural protein bar. I took this back from India, so this is for India, and may we get well and we recover soon from the COVID. So this is to India, and this is to the world. Chicky, and that too in mountains. Wonderful. All the thirst and all the hunger can be gone through this. So this is a good power backup. Rather than sneakers, you can take this. It's a healthier choice. And yeah, this is the famous chicky, and we at India eat it every time. So yeah, this is it. After many hours of hiking up, we will be going down to where we started. So now we are on our way to the famous monastery. There are many entrances to the monastery, and we chose the stairs. So just after climbing the entire mountain, we are here to see the monastery. So this is it. This is our trip to Montserrat. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe to Hogger Blogger.